Today, we are exploring an important part of African hair culture, which is the traditional weaving techniques. Long before modern salons, African women developed sophisticated ways of braiding and weaving their hair. These techniques were not only about beauty, they were about identity, community, and skills passed down from one generation to another. Across West Africa, different weaving styles emerged. Some involved tightly woven comb rolls close to the scalp, others used thread, extensions, or natural fibers to create length and structure. Each style requires patience, passion, and depth knowledge of the hair. In many communities, weaving hair was also a social activity. Women gathered together to braid, talk, and share stories while teaching the younger generation the art of hair making. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be discussing one of the different kinds or different ways of braiding hair, which is the Didi technique. The Didi technique, also known as the inverted braiding technique, is an hair weaving technique that can be argued to originate from the Yoruba kingdom. Woven inwardly from the usual braiding technique, this inverted method creates a unique pattern in the hair. This The Didi technique has been used over the years in creating different hairstyles, and one of the most common hairstyles it has been used to create is the shuku hairstyle. The word shuku also originates from the Yoruba kingdom, which means to gather or to tie up. This way, it also describes the hairstyle in itself, where you leave the hair pointing towards the center of the head. The shuku onididi or the shuku onididi is the employment or the use of the inverted braid technique in making the hairstyle shuku. The Didi technique comes in two versions. You have Didi Adimole and Didi Ologede. In shuku Adimole, the braids are woven tightly in an inverted pattern that covers at the center of the scalp before being gathered into a small bun. This technique requires careful sectioning of the hair and precise interweaving of strands, which demonstrates the skills of the hairdresser. While Shuku Ologede, on the other hand, derives its name from the Yoruba word Ologede, meaning banana or plantain. Due to the curved pattern created by the braids as they sweep towards the crown of the head, this variation produces a more elongated and creative decorative arrangement which still maintaining the center knot characteristics of the Shuku style. The Didi technique isn't just used in the creation of the shuku hairstyle alone, they are also used in the creations of hairstyles like comb rolls, popularly known as back, batewo, shuku in itself, koroba, and many other hairstyles. They can be employed with the use of additional hair materials or accessories like attachments, etc, etc. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be a more upgraded version soon, and I hope this gives a breakdown to what the Didi technique is and where it originated from. Thank you. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Bye bye.